Yo yo, welcome back to Fool's Cooking. For today's recipe, we have the fried pork cutlet. Another easy recipe to follow, so let's get to it. We're gonna start with the sauce. We have soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, Worcester sauce, is that right? Worcester sauce, 2 tablespoons, brown sugar, 4 teaspoons, teriyaki sauce, 1 tablespoon, ketchup, 4 tablespoons. Mix it well, set aside. Pork chop, 2 pieces. Use paper towel to dab dry. Then use back of a knife, chop both sides pork. This will tenderize the pork chop. Season just a little sea salt. White pepper. Rub it well on both sides. One egg. Whisk it well. Pour the egg into the first plate. Second plate, add panko, half a cup. Third plate, flour, half a cup. Now cover pork chop with flour. Dip pork in egg mix. Then cover pork with panko. Fry pork chop till golden brown. Allow it to cool before cutting. Lastly, to make this pork chop fire, drizzle previous sauce on top, then add some sesame seeds. This is optional. Look at this. It's fire, right? Now you try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Yeah!